There are several ways to earn money from Instagram. Here are a few. Sponsored posts. You can earn money by posting sponsored content for brands. To do this, you will need to have a large following and be able to create engaging content that aligns with the brand's values. Affiliate marketing. You can also earn money through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a product or service on your Instagram account and receiving a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Sell your products. If you have a product or service that you offer, you can use Instagram to market and sell it to your followers. You can set up an online shop or use the Instagram shopping feature to make it easy for your followers to buy your products. Brand partnerships. You can collaborate with other brands or influencers to create sponsored content together. This can help you reach a larger audience and potentially earn more money. Instagram ads. You can also use Instagram's advertising platform to promote your products or services to a targeted audience. Remember, building a successful Instagram account takes time and effort. You will need to consistently create high-quality content that resonates with your audience, engage with your followers, and build relationships with brands and other influencers in your niche.